Alrighty, let's do this. Well, I guess that clutch adjustment came in handy. Yeah, it really did come in handy for sure. Okay. Now we've calmed down a bit. We're gonna slow it down. We're slowing it down now. We're coming back to reality a little bit. We're going a little too fast right there. That Prius thinks he can go faster than me. I know, I saw that he was trying to pass, the Prius was trying to pass me. This Prius is going pretty quick. 60 miles an hour. Let's talk about this weekend and what I went to go see. This is going to be a different type of video. We're going to call this the Moto movie review, I guess. So this video is going to come out Monday for sure. But today on Moto Monday review, we're going to talk about Into the Spider-Verse, or is it? The new Spider-Man movie with Miles Morales and all the other Spider-Man involved. My recommendation is go and see it. It was amazing. It was a great movie. Apparently there's another one coming out, which I wasn't aware of. But now we gotta wait for part 3. It's a trilogy, so that's kind of cool. Great movie, by the way. Overall, great movie. It was great. We'll give it a 10 out of 10 for one reason, and you'll know when you watch it. Just know that it was a great movie. It was fantastic. It was amazing to look at. I wish I saw it on a better screen, but since I worked on Friday, I had no idea what time I was going to get out of work and be home. So I found the first theater, which happened to be a Regal. So I went to Regal. Normally do the AMC thing, and I'll pay for the Dolby projector or IMAX, but they didn't have anything till like the afternoon, and I didn't want to wait. Everyone was starting to spoil it on the internet, so you know, we went to the first thing available, which was just a regular movie screen. Not usually my first choice, but I had to go to that one. But you know, we went to the Regal. Pretty good experience, you know. It wasn't too crazy. Oh, their ices are big, by the way. If you want an icy at Regal, man, you're good with one, and it comes with a free refill. I got to see the new Spider-Man movie, and it was fantastic. It was fantastic what they did with Miles, with all the cameos. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to say them again. This is the non-spoiler section of the review, but the cameos were crazy. It's crazy, like, to think what they were able to pull off in what felt like a short time, but it was like over 2 hours. Great movie, by the way. Great movie. I'm excited for whatever comes next. Yeah, that's for sure. That is for sure. I am excited. Like I said, 9 out of 10 would have been a perfect 10, but it had one thing that really I did not like. The best way to explain this is if you ever played Halo 2 and you got to the end of the game, you know what happens. I think Halo 2, that was the end of this movie, and you're just sitting in the theater like, no, you didn't. You didn't just Halo 2 me right now. You son of a gun. I can't believe you just Halo 2'd me. I haven't felt like that since Halo 2. Just knowing I was so excited for what's coming next, and then they just cut you off right there, and you're like, this is where we're gonna stop. Okay, that's cool. It's not cool because we're so excited to keep watching more, and then it just cut off. Oh yeah, by the way, we hit 5,000 subscribers. Isn't that crazy? I can't believe I hit 5,000. I hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Next big milestone for me, I guess, would be 10,000. If we hit 10,000, comment down below what you want to see for 10,000 subscribers for me. I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna be like, do face, show your face, Smiley. I don't do that for a reason, for legal reasons, for all the dumb stuff I do, you know. I don't use my name for a reason, boys and girls, not because I want to be invisible.